Hi, my name is Jason Sturm, and this is a walkthrough of what I was able to get done for our Lights Out assignment. Um, I actually had quite a few struggles. I originally set up these light squares to use multiple calls to the set space in my code. Everything was working fine with it in the game here. I'll go ahead and press start game. This was all fine until I looked at the turn count and realized that um, it was sending multiple calls to the game controller's end turn, which I set up to have a turn count addition. So every single time one of these would get clicked, it would add the corresponding amount of clicks. And so at these points, it would add 5 turns. I couldn't figure out how to change it, and recently just removed all of the excess clicks to try and figure it out. I definitely couldn't. I've got a scoreboard here that was going to get text that was going to change, but couldn't find the time or wherewithal to do that for this assignment. Looking here at the code, you're going to see that on awake, it'll set that turn count to 0. It'll get rid of the game over panel and the restart button, and the board is not going to be interactable. So going into this, as you saw before, you can hover over the start game, on click it changes color, and it's going to light up that middle light. Like I said, the turn count was a big deal, and the end game, I could not figure out how to get it to acknowledge that something was on or off. I set it up in the colors here, over in the light space square. If the color was on, it would set the color to off, and if the color is off, it's going to set it to on, and then call that game controller end turn. So I wasn't sure how to get it to acknowledge over here in the array to pick out specific tiles from the array to get them to change in accordance with this, and also reference this, whether or not they're on or off, to figure out if the game condition was a winning condition. Outside of the code, the work I did for Trello, obviously it shows that I have a lot of things still in the backlog because I couldn't make any progress. I'm going to be ending up doing this gratis later. Right now, obviously I'm sprinting on the visual demonstration link, and I got all of my assets created. I didn't get a chance to do the scripting for them in the right way, but I at least created the assets. And so once I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and move that visual demonstration link over. Thank you for listening. Hopefully, if anyone has any recommendations in forums and whatnot, I'd appreciate it. Thanks.